Welcome to the Traveloko YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to share some invaluable tips on how to save fuel as a semi-truck driver. By learning and applying these practical techniques, you'll be able to save money on fuel by making smart choices when refueling and drive more efficiently. So, let's get started and discover these easy fuel-saving tips that any truck driver can use. Tip 1. Optimize your refueling schedule. One effective way to save on fuel costs is by optimizing your refueling schedule based on fuel prices. It's simple. Use fuel price apps like TMS Falcon that show real-time prices of gas stations along your route. By doing this, you can make informed decisions and find the most cost-effective options for refueling, ultimately saving money on your journey. Tip 2. Maintain your vehicle. Maintaining your semi-truck and trailer is vital for achieving optimal fuel efficiency. Make sure to keep your engine properly tuned, change air filters regularly, and consistently ensure that your tires are properly inflated. These simple yet essential maintenance practices will help you maximize fuel economy, reduce fuel consumption, and ultimately save you money on the road. Tip 3. Minimize idle time. When you stop for breaks or during long waiting periods, turn off your engine to minimize idle time. Idling burns fuel without moving you closer to your destination. Tip 4. Drive smoothly and efficiently. Another crucial aspect of saving fuel as a semi-truck driver is adopting smooth and efficient driving techniques. Avoid aggressive acceleration and braking, as these actions can lead to increased fuel consumption. Instead, try to maintain a steady speed whenever possible and use cruise control on long stretches of open road to keep a consistent pace. Anticipate traffic conditions and adjust your speed accordingly to avoid unnecessary stops and starts. Tip 5. Reduce wind resistance. Semi-trucks are affected by wind resistance, which can significantly impact fuel efficiency. One way to reduce wind resistance is by maintaining a reasonable distance from other vehicles on the road, especially at high speeds. Additionally, consider adding aerodynamic features to your truck, such as side fairings and cab extenders, to streamline airflow and improve fuel economy. Tip 6. Plan efficient routes. Carefully plan your routes to avoid unnecessary detours and congested areas. Use GPS devices or navigation apps specifically designed for trucks to find the most direct and efficient paths. Minimizing the distance and time spent on the road will help you conserve fuel and save money. Tip 7. Use the right gear. Understanding your semi-truck's transmission and using the right gear at the right time is essential for fuel efficiency. Shift gears smoothly and at appropriate RPM levels to optimize fuel consumption. Avoid engine lugging, operating at low RPM and high gears, and excessive revving, as both can lead to increased fuel usage. Tip 8. Lighten the load. Carrying unnecessary weight in your semi-truck can have a negative impact on fuel efficiency. Regularly clean out your truck's cabin and trailer to remove any unnecessary items. Remember that every additional pound adds up over long distances, so strive to maintain a balanced and lighter load whenever possible. Tip 9. Use synthetic lubricants. Consider using synthetic lubricants for your engine, transmission, and other critical components. Synthetic oils reduce friction and offer better lubrication, which can lead to improved fuel efficiency and overall performance. Tip 10. Avoid rush hour traffic. Whenever possible, plan your routes to avoid driving during peak rush hour traffic. Traffic congestion leads to frequent stops and starts, which can significantly impact fuel economy. Traveling during off-peak hours can help you maintain a steady pace and save fuel. Tip 11. Limit use of air conditioning. While it may be tempting to keep the cabin cool during hot weather, excessive use of air conditioning can increase fuel consumption. Use air conditioning sparingly and try to rely on natural ventilation or fans when feasible. Tip 12. Keep a consistent speed on hills. When driving uphill, try to maintain a consistent speed by increasing throttle gradually before reaching the ascent. Avoid heavy acceleration on the incline, as this can lead to increased fuel usage. On downhill stretches, use engine braking downshifting instead of riding the brakes to save on fuel. Remember, every small change can add up to significant fuel savings over time. As a responsible and conscientious driver, implementing these fuel-saving tips not only benefits your wallet, but also contributes to a greener and more sustainable future. If you have any other fuel-saving tips that you'd like to share, or if you found these tips helpful, please let us know in the comments below. We always love hearing from our viewers and learning from your experiences as well. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our Traveloko YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss any of our future videos designed to assist you in becoming a more efficient and savvy truck driver. Thank you for watching, and safe travels on the road.